Today I'm going to discuss contingency offers. I'm Catherine Wright with RE/MAX Professionals in Lawton, Oklahoma. www.lawton-home.com is my website. Contingency offers. So you have a house and you want to go ahead and purchase another house. Well, you have a contingency of that house selling in order for you to purchase the new house. The way that this works is if the owners of the house that you're buying need to go ahead and sell it to somebody else, they'll give you a certain amount of time, usually 24 hours, sometimes up to 72 hours, to lift the contingency. That means to say, you know, this is no longer part of the deal, I'm going to go ahead and purchase this house. It makes it a win-win for both parties. It's not the best way of selling a house or purchasing a house, because that's always a what if. What if your house doesn't sell? So that's my explanation for contingency offers. If you have more questions, feel free to contact me via Facebook. I'm Catherine Wright at RE/MAX Professionals, or again, my website, www.lawton-home.com. And I'm Catherine Wright. Bye.